Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to file uncontested divorce in Alabama. Begin by confirming residency and choosing uncontested grounds, then assemble the petition for divorce and supporting financial affidavits. Agree on custody, support, and property division in writing, and complete a settlement agreement signed by both spouses. File the petition at the county courthouse, pay the filing fee or request a waiver, and schedule any required hearings or waiting periods. Start by filling every form clearly and accurately, using legal names and correct addresses, because errors can delay your case. Include a detailed parenting plan if you have children, plus financial affidavits and a notarized settlement agreement that reflects your negotiated terms. Make copies of each form before you file, and double-check signatures and dates. If either spouse needs help, consider a brief consult with a family law clerk or attorney for clarity. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: when stacks of forms and court runs make your day long, toss a little Tree's black ice in your car for a clean, classic scent that keeps things feeling a little less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. And now let's get back to the video. After filing your packet with the county circuit clerk and paying the fee, ensure the other spouse is properly served or files a written acceptance of service. If the court schedules a hearing, bring copies of your settlement agreement and identification, and be prepared to confirm the agreement on record. Once the judge signs the final judgment of divorce, obtain certified copies for bank, title, and record updates to finalize your post-divorce obligations and rights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.